Yes, I greetings, beautiful people. I Empress Black Omolo, also known as Rita Omolo. Anyakano, in this Sagidian timing, we moving forward, no backward. In this Gideon timing, in this Gideon time, moving forward, no backward. Focus me mind on a serious level, moving as a warriors, moving as a lioness, moving rebel. Ready for the Gideon me, hip on a mission, moving as a lioness, moving as a warriors, moving rebel, ready for the Gideon me, fear no evil. Who Jah bless, no man curse. Give thanks for life, put Jah first. Who Jah bless, no man curse. Nyalubale, who Jah bless, no man curse. Give thanks for life, put Jah first. Who Jah bless, no man curse. I love my spirit from Lolwe. Me see the weak-hearted move like a smooth criminal. Jacket and tie spread like pan we all. Now on we rise, them one see we falling. Moving like a smooth criminal. Thieving from the poor, brainwashing we all. Bombs and mad drop, see them killing we all. East to the west, them corrupt the system, them benefit themselves as we are the victims. Say, who Jah bless, no man curse. Give thanks for life, put Jah first. Who Jah bless, no man curse. Black Omolo straight from Lolwe. Who Jah bless, no man curse. Give thanks for life, put Jah first. Yes, I beautiful people. Empress Black Omolo.
Close to my beautiful sister all the way from Rotterdam. She's here. Finally, Black Omolo. Can you just introduce yourself? You know, the other time I told my brother here that next time I'm bringing someone else on this amazing show, she will be a super well recognized internationally, most hardworking Kenyan lady doing amazing job in diaspora.
We welcome you, madam.
Asante sana.
Pleasure having you around.
Thank you very much. It's
just take your time and introduce yourself. This camera is...
This is your camera. Introduce yourself.
I am Black Omolo, Rita Omolo. Yes, I am coming from Kano. They call me Nyakano. So, Tek Totar, as you said, hardworking lady, a mother of 3, and of many out there in Ahero, as we have a school and the education center for more than 17 years.
Yeah.
So, they also call us Mama Africa.
Mama Africa.
Black Omolo, when did it all started? Because we only know the part of you being a super recognized artist, but we have not known this whole journey. Where did it start? Did it start from Kano, or you just found yourself in Netherlands doing all these stuffs?
Well, of course, it started from Kano. It's an ancestral blessing. It comes from my parents.
Yeah.
I moved to the diaspora when I was 5 years.
Okay.
And yeah, from there I started singing in the church choir. I started developing my skills one by one. Started playing music instruments one by one. And so continued, you know, as the Spirit chose me and I took the right energy to flow in life, you know.
We do say we treat Empress right. We treat them right. So because of that courtesy, I'll give you a seat.
Just have a seat. Just have a seat. Actually, the color matches, The color matches.
Just have a seat.
You know, my brother Victor Msafi was telling me that we are having a super international artist who is also a reggae well-established artist. put on something that matches Rastafari. Eh? They do say that when you go to Rome, do what Romans do. But I told him, you know what? I'm the manager for all Rastafarians in the world. So it just have to be a bit different. Why did you decide from church? Why did you just decide to do reggae and roots?
Well, I didn't decide. I think the music chose me.
Okay.
As I moved to the diaspora as a young girl,
Okay.
I was not told we are moving to the Netherlands or to wherever. I found myself there.
Okay.
And I was always longing to come back home.
Okay.
So I believe the roots and the spirit has been in me.
Okay.
As I'm called Rita, I am named after Rita Mali, so that means my parents already have the roots and the reggae under control. So,
And at any given time, have you ever done a collab with any Jamaican artist?
yeah, I've done collabos with enough of them.
Okay.
Yes,
Just to mention a few.
We work together. Warrior King is one of them. Exile the Brave, Kazam. Where we go? Go online and you check Black Omolo on the Spotify, on the YouTube, and you will find.
What can you say about the music industry in Kenya?
The difference.
As per your observation.
What can I say? It's booming. It's beautiful to see so much talent and to see so much hardworking artists out here. And yeah, there's a lot of work to do, you know, for progress and for betterment. So continue doing, you know, continue going.
Should we expect any collab with a Kenyan artist?
Of course. I'm here to spread the work. So we are working on a few. As I've just performed with a band in Kisumu, a local band.
Okay.
We performed in Dunga Hill Camp, and I brought actually 2 bands together.
Wow.
So, you know, that's also my mission to bring unity in this industry, you know, and love and care for one another. Because if we don't have this, then we are not going to move forward. So,
Rita, you know, in Kenya, we are being told there is this politician who wanted to legalize the so-called
we call it
the healing of the nation.
Yes. And actually, when I draw points, the guy was full of content how that weed or the plant was going to help us fast. It was going to serve as a medicine.
Yes.
It was it could be a medicinal product for cancer and all other diseases. How is it received in diaspora, especially in Europe? Is it legal or it is just illegal like just in Kenya?
The whole world likes to take their benefit, and this is the system.
Okay.
So wherever the system can see and take their benefits, they will do it.
Okay.
In Kenya, there is ganja which is being produced here in Kenya for the Israelis, for the Americans, or for, you know.
Okay.
And that is not for our economy. So that is where that politician was coming in to legalize, so that the country will also have, beside the health, the health benefits, also economical.
Really? That's why we get countries like Netherlands, Germany, Sweden. They are economically stable.
One by one, you see they're legalizing, and this is because they're also using it for the health and the medical industry, because they're seeing that there's a lot of money in the medical industry. The pharmaceutical industry is #1 booming industry in money making.
Sure.
So when they see that cannabis can be a part of that, of course they want to legalize. That's why in America legalized.
Like now, can I ask you? Can I just ask you? What is it that is in reggae that reggae never fades?
And reggae lovers.
You see?
Yes.
Like let's take the song of culture. The song that he started when he was starting, when he was getting at the music industry, his first song. They're still booming. You see?
Of course.
They're
still
sweet,
they're
they're still nice. You just feel like they were composed today.
Yes.
Unlike the other genre, they were that.
Let's take
when
good
they are released
example.
today, in a span of 1 week,
it hits.
They started to fade. What is it that is unique in reggae that we don't know?
You know, important is the spirit.
The spirit.
Or you guys love each other.
It's the
That's why you
spirit
keep on.
and the humbleness and to be real, you know. is like a football player.
Okay.
You can be a football player, you can be very good at your football and what, but if you don't have the right attitude, you don't have the right mentality towards it, you can fade away.
Sure.
So the same thing as with music.
One way of recognizing Black Omolo is that she always have long dreads. For how long has this dress? Because people are asking out there. We can see her all the time putting on a bandana, a Rastafarian bandana. How long has this dreads been? How long have you been having this? Have you been keeping these dreads?
I started my lock journey when I was 15.
Okay.
And
15 years old.
Yeah, and now I am 33, so almost
How many
20,
years?
almost 20 years, 18 years.
And can I ask you, can you be a Rastafari? You just have to be a Rastafari without the dreads.
You just put
Of
on
course.
official suits like MC
You're
Japolo.
just like me here,
Of
but you're a
course,
Rasta.
of course,
Then what is being a Rasta?
of course.
What does it mean?
It's here, it's in your heart,
Oh.
and it's spiritual, you know?
Okay.
So it's about how you live, how you meditate, how your consciousness is
Okay.
there. So and also, of course, how you represent yourself.
Okay.
That doesn't mean that you cannot wear this or what, but it is right for a man and a woman to look royal.
And there is this say that Rastafarians don't take meat.
Is it true?
Well, that's the conscious part of it.
Why?
Yeah.
Actually,
So, you
we
have-
need to know many things about, because it's a very amazing culture which is just all over the world. There are some symbolic stuffs we just have to know about the Rastafarian lives, because maybe I have a friend, let's say, out there who is a Rastafarian, and he who is a Rastafarian, he or she might be having a specific aspect that for us, okay, let's say for us Islam or Christians, we don't have. So most of the time you get our cultures do clash.
No, if you look in the Rastafari culture, especially in the Islam culture, or you see like the Islam culture, they don't eat pork meat.
Yes.
Because they say it's not clean.
Okay.
So the way we say don't eat meat is because in general, it's not clean. If you look at the meat industry in Europe right now,
Yes.
or wherever, the meat is dirty. Now you see a lot of people are becoming vegetarians, are becoming vegans also because of health reasons. So
Okay.
these are the reasons why we as Rasta people have been saying for many years, watch what you eat, because what you eat is also what you are.
Okay.
Just a reminder, we are live at Meladen Upper Hill. Meladen Upper is located along Chulu Road.
Yes.
Just few meters from NHIF, Ama Kenya National Library.
No.
If you want a place for any kind of party, birthday party, baby shower,
This is the best
this is the
venue.
best place to be.
You can drop it.
Meladen Upper Hill. If you want traditional delicacies,
Yes.
we have fresh tilapia from Lake
Victoria.
mbuzi from Baringo direct.
Mgongo wazi
Ile
from
mbuzi inakulwa matawi, si Nairobi inakula tissue nini.
alafu the best thing with this amazing joint is that all type of stuffs you can get with, be it car wash.
Car wash is here.
It's inclusive M-Pesa services. It's here.
You look at our seats.
Ample parking space. You know, for us Luos, I don't know of your tribe. For us Luos, you get a Luo man going to a club. He goes with a Mercedes G-Wagon. He parks it there.
But
we go back home.
Our problem, what we look at first before we party is
Yes.
do the place has a parking?
A not just does it have
Ample
an ample parking space? So back to you, Black Omolo. How is it reggae? How has been the journey out there? Because most of these countries actually, some time back, maybe pre-colonial period, they were not accepting reggae in some of the parts of the world. And you know, like reggae artists are like, most of them are ever activists. They are human rights activists. How is it received out there?
Well, reggae is received very beautiful in the whole world.
Okay.
Yes, just like here in Kenya.
Okay.
Actually, here it is more booming. Everywhere where you step in, you hear or reggae. Or ohangla.
Sure.
So, but out there, reggae is well received as you have a lot of festivals, artists come and tour. So, Yeah.
Within this shortest period, apart from working with the local artists in Kisumu, have you spotted any reggae band or any reggae artist based in Kenya that you can do a project with?
Yes, there's so many. I'm doing actually already projects with
Okay.
them. I have been working with Royal Roots Connections
Okay.
band. That's the first band who backed me up like 10 years ago.
Uh-huh.
I have worked with Sojourner's band.
Uh-huh.
Well, I work with Sister Binti.
Sister Binti, yeah.
Nazizi is there. Lavosti.
Yeah.
I soon have a tour also coming up with King Shiloh.
Oh.
That's the sound system I work with in Europe a lot.
Europe, yeah.
And we are coming here and we are touring, and we'll be having also Kenyan artists on the platform like Lavoste and many more. So, yeah.
One thing we were almost forgetting. Do you have a band, and if so, how many are you, and how is the business over there than in Kenya, or how can you compare the business activity, the arts business industry in Netherlands to Kenya? How can you compare both?
Well, it's I have a band there, and I live in the Netherlands, but I perform all over Europe.
Okay.
I go to South America.
Yes.
Netherlands is a very small country.
Okay.
So if it was only for me to perform in the Netherlands, I would not perform as much that I am doing. So that's why you can't compare. And as, for instance, if you'd like to compare here in Kenya, you can have a place where you can be a resident band.
Okay.
But that's good if you're doing covers or it's different. Out there, like a reggae artist, it's very hard to be a resident band.
Okay.
So you perform in a show or a festival or, so it's different.
Sister Black Omolo. One word if you're winding up. Just one word from your fans.
All over the world.
All over the world, and especially to the Kenyan musical industry.
Yes.
One word to them. Your fans
And
all over the world.
that is out
Only
there.
one word.
Yes.
That is love.
Show love.
Love. Love yourselves. Love whatever you are doing, and invest in what you love.
Okay.
Yes.
There's that artist. There's that upcoming reggae artist who is looking up to Black Omolo. He or he want to be like you. What can you just tell him or her out there?
A lot of discipline, hard work, and love. Patience, yes, and what is also very important is to use the brain work.
Okay.
Yes.
As we finish, your social media handles, and thanks for coming to this amazing show. This is Talent Show that happens each and every Wednesday from 8 p.m. and we have a special repeat
that happens each and every Sunday from 5:30 p.m.
Yes.
And don't forget, we have Luo Night that happens each and every Friday from 9:30 p.m.
And this show is sponsored by Manyala Auto Garage.
Located along Gong Road, just next to Toyota Kenya.
Ukiwa na Mercedes Benz, uko na any type of motor vehicle, just visit them. Usikwe na shida ya mapancha, shida ndogo ndogo, atunataka kwenda nayo kwa kampuni kubwa. Tafadhali, any kind of mechanical issue, just visit Manyala Auto Garage. Namba yao iko hapo. Namba yao iko hapo kwa screen.
Remember to send your feedback to 71920. Not forgetting our able promoter, Bulldozer 001.
As we wind up, your social media handles, alafu atuachilie moja. Just give us one song, tuambie social media handles, alafu we sign out. Social media handles.
Oh, my social media handouts: Black Omolo, Empress Black Omolo, Royal Roots Corner, One Love Self-Help Group. Yes, I'm
your official host, Victor Msavi Kenya. Find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, everywhere, Victor Msavi Kenya. Follow Meladen Club on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok. Meladen Club Upper Hill.
MC Japolo on all social media handles.
DJ Ovix.
Pendenalo.
Let's come together and live as one, Africans home and abroad. Let's come together, unite as one, Africans home and abroad. Now is the time, support one another, Africans home and abroad. Let's come together, unite as one, Africans home and abroad. Let's come together. My brothers and sisters, now is the timing. Look at Mama Africa rising, as the people here living uprising, as the royal continent keeps on growing. I Africans shall be flowing. We'll be going, moving in the right direction, going home to we motherland, build up we nation. Africans home and abroad, let's come together, unite as one. Africans home and abroad, now is the time, support one another. Africans home and abroad, let's come together, unite as one. Africans home and abroad. I'm telling you, economical powers is what we need. More love, more light in our families. Support one another as you can do. Be there for each other where you can be. Don't break down each other because jealousy are no good for your power and unity. How will we grow if you cannot see the right movement for the community? Africans home and abroad, let's come together, unite as one. Africans home and abroad, now is the time, support one another. Yes, I am. Better days and better will come. Yes, that day will come, that things will be better. Yeah, will be better. Oh, yes, that day will come, that things will be better. Just keep the faith, never too late. Keep the faith, no, it's never too late. Heads up high, Jaja is great. Time will tell, the world in mysterious way. Better men we work for every day. Never give up, it's forever live up. Even when time get red, no, we never give up. Positively living it up. Burning the fire non-stop. Yes, that day will come, that things will be better. Yeah, will be better, my beautiful people. Yes, that day will come, that things will be better, will be better, will be better. Never too late. This a long, long journey full of ups and downs. Pressure will be coming, pressure will be going. Yes, be strong, keep on going on. Oh, no matter about the tribulation, challenge after challenge, battle after battle. Life ain't easy. The harder the battle, the sweeter the victory. Yes, that day will come, that things will be better. Yeah, will be better. Oh, yes, that day will come, that things will be better, will be better, will be better. Never too late. Things will be better, give thanks and praise. Things will be better, one keep the faith. Things will be better, love yourself always. Things will be better, yeah, things will be better. Yes, I big up yourself, Nam Lolwe family all the time. See the youth of today need more roots and culture. They are we future. Be example, yes, be the youth, yeah. Yeah, they are we future. Live it up, live it up, live it up for the children. Teach the youth the truth and not fool them. Now is the timing. Papa and mama on the front lining, ready for some real talking. Ready for your warning, ready for your roots living, real talking. Ready for your warning, ready for the culture preaching. Let them know themselves, know where they come from, know where they're going. Kings and queens, give thanks for the royal blessings. Yeah, roots and culture is a must for you and me. Yeah, roots and culture. It's time to set we families free. Give we the roots and culture. Live it up, feed the children. Give we the roots and culture. Roots and culture, feed the future. Give we the roots and culture. Live it up, feed the children. Give we the roots and culture. Roots and culture is a must. Roots and culture is a must. Roots and culture, feed the future. Roots and culture for you. Roots and culture forevermore. Teach the youths about Mama Africa. Tell them about back in the days. Make them know them have to be strong. No one should have ever come twist them down. Them have to be wise. No one should have ever come tell them lies. Them have to realize roots and culture is a must. Roots and culture in our family. Roots and culture in our liberty. Roots and culture free up community. Roots and culture set the youths them free. Roots and culture is a must for you.
You say roots and culture for the families. Big up yourselves.
It's time to set we families free. Give we the roots and culture. Live it up, feed the children. Give we the roots and culture. Roots and culture, feed the future.
Oh, beyond to kill the Ethiopians. They join up with the dragon and a fight the lion. I say, oh, beyond to kill the Ethiopians. Surely shall go down in a Babylon. I say, oh, beyond to kill the Ethiopians. Who join up with the dragon and a fight the lion. I say, oh, beyond to kill the Ethiopians. Surely shall go down in a Babylon.
Short and talented DJ.
Rebel against the Almighty command. And you never hear them a fight against the poverty. And you never hear them a fight against the queen of Babylon. Them don't have no vision, though them born with sight. Always in the darkness and never see the light. I say, oh, beyond to kill the Ethiopians. Who join up with the dragon and a fight the lion. I say, oh, beyond to kill the Ethiopians. Surely shall go down in a Babylon. I say, oh, beyond to kill the Ethiopians. Who join up with the dragon and a fight the lion. I say, oh, beyond to kill the Ethiopians. Surely shall go